Before we jump into the magic of Ansible, let's talk about the essentials. First, you need to be comfortable with Linux command line basics. If typing ls and cd makes you nervous, we have some work to do. Next, SSH is your gateway to managing remote systems. You don't want to be stuck knocking on your server's door. YAML Syntax is how we structure automation scripts, and trust me, it's simpler than it looks. Finally, networking. IP addresses aren't just random numbers. They dictate who talks to whom. Get these down, and you're off to a great start. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. System administration is the backbone of Ansible's automation. You should know how to manage users and permissions. Otherwise, you might give the wrong person too much power. Big mistake. Processes and services are the gears that keep a system running. Handling them efficiently is key. The file system may seem like a jungle, but if you know where everything belongs, life gets much easier. And finally, security, because nobody wants their system hijacked by bad actors. Configuration management is the art of making sure your infrastructure behaves predictably. Think of it as setting rules for your servers to follow. Ansible, Puppet, and Chef are your best friends here, with Ansible taking the crown for simplicity. Infrastructure as code, ISC, makes it possible to manage environments like developers manage code. It's all about automation. Lastly, the real reason we do this: avoid doing the same boring tasks manually over and over. Software packages are like apps on your phone, except Linux manages them smartly with package managers like apt, yum, and DNF. Installing and updating software should be smooth, not a wild guessing game. Dependencies can turn into a tangled mess if you're not careful, so keep an eye on what's needed. And finally, cleaning up. Removing unnecessary packages helps keep your system lean and mean. Python and Ansible go together like peanut butter and jelly. First, understanding Python syntax is crucial. It's one of the friendliest programming languages out there. Writing automation scripts lets you customize processes beyond Ansible's built-in features. Python libraries expand your toolbox for system management tasks. And last but not least, debugging, because code always finds a way to misbehave when you least expect it. Git is like a time machine for your code. It helps you track changes, collaborate easily, and undo mistakes like they never happened. You'll learn to navigate branches like a pro and resolve merge conflicts without breaking a sweat. It's like having a personal assistant who remembers everything. Imagine running multiple computers inside one without the headache. Virtualization and containers make applications portable and efficient. With Docker and Kubernetes, deployment becomes a breeze. No more works on my machine excuses. The cloud is basically someone else's computer, but it's a powerful one. Learning cloud basics lets you scale applications effortlessly, store data safely, and deploy services globally. Plus, no more worrying about running out of space. Inventory files are like the guest list for a party. They tell Ansible who's invited and what roles they'll play. Getting this right ensures smooth automation. No party crashers or missing names. Ansible modules and playbooks are like a recipe for automation. Follow the steps, and you'll have a perfectly configured system. Forget manual work. Let Ansible do the heavy lifting. Why do boring, repetitive tasks when you can automate them? With the right strategy, you can sit back while automation runs the show. It's like having a personal assistant that never complains. Troubleshooting is detective work. You spot clues, follow leads, and solve mysteries. With logging, debugging tools, and a logical approach, you'll crack the case before it becomes a crisis. Security isn't just a checkbox. It's a mindset. Stay ahead by controlling access, securing your scripts, and monitoring for vulnerabilities. Automation is great, but a compromised system is an expensive headache. Mastering these fundamentals makes automation seamless, efficient, and secure. Think of it as leveling up in the tech world. You'll become the go-to expert who gets things done effortlessly. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.